Our music production postgraduate degree is designed for both aspiring and established music production professionals. Whether you're looking to refine your skills, develop your creative approach, boost productivity, or deepen your understanding of mixing and mastering, this course will elevate your practice to the next level. This industry-focused master's program offers you the opportunity to explore both new and established areas of music production, expand your creative boundaries, and develop as a professional producer. The course culminates in a large-scale creative project where you'll choose a specialist focus aligned with your personal and professional interests. Throughout the course, you will apply self-reflective strategies to critically evaluate your production and engineering techniques, dive into the art of mixing and mastering with a detailed analytical approach, explore a specialist creative area within music production tailored to your interests, such as device creation, spatial audio, live performance, or even advanced sound design, learn how to establish your own professional enterprise, develop a portfolio career, or create a skill development plan to support your professional development, and produce a substantial original major project in your chosen field of music production. You'll develop advanced techniques using our industry standard studios and benefit from expert guidance across both the creative and technical aspects of production. With its strong industry focus, the course equips you for a wide range of careers, whether as a full-time independent artist, professional audio engineer, educator or entrepreneur, or in roles at record labels, audio plugin companies, and beyond.